How to use apologies and excuses. Apologies are used to express regret or say sorry for something that was said or done. Excuses, on the other hand, are used to explain why something was said or done, or to provide a reason for a mistake. Here are some examples of apologies and excuses. Apologies. I'm sorry, I forgot your birthday. I apologize for being late to the meeting. I'm sorry for the mistake I made on your order. Excuses. I'm sorry, I forgot your birthday. I've been really busy at work. I apologize for being late to the meeting. There was a lot of traffic on the way here. I'm sorry for the mistake I made on your order. I'm still new to this job, and I made a mistake. Notice how apologies focus on expressing regret, while excuses focus on providing a reason for the mistake.